Can someone explain why am I exhausted even though I just fucking woke up? Like, I literally just got exhausted just me getting out of the bed. And I don't know why I just got quiet. My mind is blank. Right now, it's like literally like 11 in the morning. I just basically want to show you guys like the most realistic videos of me, because I just feel like people on the internet just lie about their morning routines, and they're just like, I just wake up and I just have coffee on my balcony and I just watch the city, and I'm like, God, you know how my morning routine is like? If I'm going to be totally honest, my room got messy again, but it's not like the messiness you guys saw in the video last week. As I said, my room doesn't get that messy. It's just that I left it on that day because I was hanging out with my best. But my eyes are gonna close at any moment. And I hate the way I look in the morning. Why the fuck do I have fucking volume up here on my head? Whatever, let's get the day started. So today, why the fuck do I look like that? So, today, the first thing we're gonna do right now, because I need to get this over and done with, is my bed. Well, actually, I don't fix my bed immediately. Like, I just take time with it. I just need to get rid of the clothes that's on top of my bed, because I left it for this whole fucking week, and I don't know why I do that. Like, my mom brings me the clean clothes, and she just leaves them on my desk, but I end up moving it to my bed, and I just look at it and was like, when am I gonna put it back into my closet? But that's today. We're gonna do that today. I'm not used to seeing myself on the fucking camera and it being this fucking G, but I just did my bed. Now I have to get rid of my laptop and the papers and everything. We're gonna do that right now, and we gotta throw them out because, girly, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna do that right now.
I swear in all of my videos my camera always decides to stop recording. I don't know why it does that. Like, you have a simple job and that is to record, not to piss me off. By the way, while we're here, please go subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I'm planning to soon put out K-pop videos and me dancing. Leave out a comment and I will literally comment back to you. Also follow my Instagram. Now let's go back to the video.
Okay, I don't know what the fuck happened to my camera, but my camera decided to not record. But look now. She's stunning. She's glowing.
Talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular, never the same, totally unique, completely not ever been done before.
I went to the fucking kitchen and I forgot. I'm gonna go to the kitchen. Give me a moment. We're now gonna brush my teeth. Okay, I'm never this excited to fucking brush my teeth. Now that my teeth is nice and fresh and clean, we're gonna put Vaseline on my lips. So here's my Vaseline. If you're curious what Vaseline I'm using, although there's only one Vaseline that we all use, but I don't know what I'm doing. I need to put a lot of this because my lips are fucking dry. She's nice and hydrated now. Okay. She's nice and soft. Okay, since I just brushed my teeth, I can't have breakfast immediately because like that minty flavors on my mouth because of the toothpaste. So we're gonna do something else, and that is maybe like vacuum my room or do a workout or something. You scared me though. That's really good. Next time, I should prepare me. Bro, the way my mom just came into my room and literally started, like, she just came up, she's like, hey, do you want this? And scared the living shit out of me. Bro, if you ever come to my household, you gotta prepare your soul. Because every time you walk into this house, there's gonna be a jump scare. Do you guys love my fit? It's like basically my everyday fit. Like, literally, like, it literally has no style. We're gonna go and stretch.